Hello everyone, my name is Arun Das and I am a program manager for Microsoft Teams, and today we will be talking about how you can leverage shared channels for seamless collaboration with your external partners. Businesses are operating in vibrant environments where the connection with partners, vendors, and customers is a critical component of business success. On an average, business decision makers are working with 11 external partners in a typical week. They tell us that when external collaboration is optimized, it can improve visibility, accountability, and trust. Microsoft Teams offers secure solutions for collaborating with external parties. And with Microsoft Teams Connect, we are making it easier to collaborate with anyone outside your organization. With Teams Connect, you can use Teams' full suite of collaboration capabilities with external partners in the same way you use them with colleagues from your organization. Depending on your collaboration need, we have the right solution for you. Shared chats, powered by Teams' external access, allow you to start a chat with anyone outside your organization, helping you have a real-time and secure conversation for faster results. Shared channels, powered by B2B Direct Connect, on the other hand, offer a shared space for a more structured, deeper, and long-term collaboration with your external partners. May it be working with an external consultant or partnering with an external agency, shared channels help your team work effectively across boundaries. In this session, we will focus on shared channels. We will see a demo of the experience, review key capabilities, and double-click on admin tools. Before getting into shared channels, let's talk about channels. Channels are collaboration spaces within a team that help organize conversations around a project, topic, or collective purpose. Channels are where work gets done. With standard channels, you can facilitate open collaboration within the team, or you can use private channels for a more focused collaboration with a subset of the team. While standard and private channels are great for connecting the team, many collaboration needs transcend the team or even your organization boundary. With these needs in mind, we are introducing shared channels, a new channel type that enables faster, efficient, transparent, and scalable collaboration with your internal and external partners beyond the boundaries of the team. Any external shared channel you are a member of will show up alongside the rest of your teams and channels in your own organization. You no longer have to tenant switch to collaborate externally. With shared channels, you don't have to add partners to an entire team. You can just add them to the channel. This also helps with number of teams you need to manage, as you don't have to create a new team when you want to restrict a partner from accessing other channels in the team. Teams are constantly changing as individuals are changing roles. When you share a shared channel with a team, you don't have to worry about updating individual members. It will be automatically updated based on the team's membership. Let's talk more about that. On a shared channel, you can bring aboard individual people or an entire team. These individuals and teams can either be from your org or from an external Azure AD org. Sharing the channel with a team means that as members join and leave the team, they will gain or lose access to the channel without anyone having to manually manage channel membership. This is a powerful new way for teams to collaborate on a project, even across organizations, with the ability to leverage and reuse the collective membership management across these teams. Let's take a look at how Daniela is using shared channels with external partners to land training collateral for a new product in the upcoming demo.
Daniela leads the marketing team at Contoso. She's developing training collateral for a new product and needs to collaborate with colleagues in her own organization and with multiple people in other external organizations. A shared channel will let her seamlessly collaborate with colleagues both within and outside the Contoso tenant. Daniela starts by creating a new shared channel and decides to share it with her team. She then shares the channel with Cassandra, her colleague on another team in Contoso. Daniela hires Beth from another company, Northwind, for this project. She types her email and shares the channel with her too. She doesn't need to add Cassandra or Beth to her team. Daniela can share the channel with people on other teams and in other orgs. Beth and the other invitees get notified in Teams that a channel has been shared with them. And they see it's been added to the channel list on the left, along with their existing channels. The shared channel is marked by an icon to help distinguish it from the rest of the channels, and the external label makes everyone aware of the channel audience and that the channel is from another tenant. Even though Daniela, Beth, and Cassandra are from different companies, working together in the shared channel feels as familiar and easy as any other channel. Daniela also wants to share the channel with Keiko's team, which is in another organization. Sharing the channel with a team means that current and future team members will be able to access the channel without anyone having to manually manage channel membership. Daniela selects Share Channel with a Team and sends the share invite to Keiko, the team owner. Keiko accepts on behalf of her team and picks a team she owns to add the shared channel to. Daniela gets notified that Keiko accepted the invite. She reviews the team Keiko picked and approves it. Keiko gets notified that the channel is now shared with her team. Keiko's team can now see the shared channel in their channel list. Keiko mentions her team, and they get to work. Now that everyone's in this shared space, Keiko wants an ad hoc meeting to discuss next steps. And she starts the meeting right in the channel. And everyone joins with a single click. Keiko organizes the action items using the Lists app and adds the list as a tab to the channel. She then follows up on her action item and starts working on the timeline document in real time with Daniela. Everyone across Keiko and Daniela's teams can now see and work in the shared channel. No guest accounts or tenant switching required. Even though Daniela's colleagues are from different teams and companies, they come together in the shared channel for effortless, seamless, and secure collaboration.
You have just seen how 3 companies can establish a connection and have a shared workspace they can access right from their team's environment. Whether your work group includes external stakeholders or not, you can easily communicate and collaborate using shared channels. This has been a top ask from our customers who are working with external organizations, partners, suppliers, and customers in their day-to-day work. With shared channels, you can get faster results and strengthen your relationship with your partners while not worrying about security and compliance. External collaboration in shared channels is as seamless as collaborating across channels in the same team. Let's take a look at how it all works. External collaboration in shared channels is powered by B2B Direct Connect, a new way to collaborate with other Azure AD organizations. With B2B Direct Connect, there's no need to add the external user as a guest in your organization. When you and another organization mutually enable B2B Direct Connect, external users authenticate in their organization and receive a token from the resource organization for seamless access. Once added to a shared channel, external users can access the channel right from their team's account. No need to switch organizations or sign in with a different account. The external user can chat, call, meet, and access files and apps associated with the channel seamlessly and collaborate in real time with others in the channel. Cross-tenant access policies let admins manage B2B Direct Connect for their organization. It's off by default. For a cross-tenant shared channel to work, admins on both sides of the relationship must configure cross-tenant access policy. Tenant hosting the shared channel will have to set up inbound access, specifying who from the external tenant is allowed to participate in the shared channel. Tenants participating in the shared channel will have to set up outbound access, specifying who from their tenant can participate in the external shared channel. These access settings can be configured at user, group, and application level. Coming to conditional access, the resource organization's policies for multi-factor authentication, compliant device, and hybrid Azure AD joint device are applied to external users when accessing documents in the shared channel. External users can satisfy the MFA requirements in their home tenant and avoid getting prompted twice. As a Teams admin, one uses Teams policy to govern how users in their organization use channels. We have enhanced the Teams policy for shared channels. Admin can use Teams policy to decide who can create shared channels and who can invite external users to a shared channel. These policies are default on. Just like private channels, admins can create shared channel on behalf of a team owner, manage the channel lifecycle, and membership. Admins can easily identify external members and the organization they belong to. One-on-one chat, calls, and meeting experience with your external partners continue to be governed by external access. And above all, admins have the full range of PowerShell and Graph APIs at their disposal to create and manage shared channels. The team owners are always in full control of their team. Only team owners can create shared channels. Once they create a shared channel, they become channel owner. To ensure team owners can govern the team effectively, they can see all the shared channels in the team but won't have access to the channel content unless they are a member of the channel. And when it comes to sharing of channels from other teams, only the team owners have the right to decide whether the channel can be shared with their team or not. Channel inherits labels from the host team. The label stays in sync with that of the host team. When a channel is shared from another team, the members from the other team will still see the sensitivity label from the host team. Now let's talk about channel owners. Similar to team owners who are accountable for management of the team, channel owners are accountable for managing the channel. Only channel owners can share the channel, and they can stop sharing at will. A shared channel owner can subsequently promote any direct member of the channel from their own organization to be a co-owner. One does not have to be a team member to be a channel owner. Channel owners can choose to share the channel with other teams, at which point any membership changes affected in the team by the team owners will automatically take effect in the channel as well. With this, a channel could have members who have access to the channel directly as well as through a team sharing relationship. Removing a direct member does not impact the relationship to the channel through a team sharing relationship or vice versa. Like private channels, the system will automatically promote a within organization member to a channel owner if the channel was to become ownerless for any reason. For example, when the last owner leaves the organization. As your team works together, you will undoubtedly have files that you will want to share and collaborate on. Shared channels make it easy to share files and work on them together across organizations. Everyone on the channel, irrespective of their organization, can view, edit, and collaborate on them right within Teams. Each shared channel has a dedicated SharePoint site. We have made significant improvements in the SharePoint admin experience to help you manage the channel sites better. A key enhancement that I want to call out is sites in the SharePoint Admin Center now have a team site indicator, and a quick drill down allows you to see all the associated channel sites. Coming to member experience, channel members will always be aware of their audience, even on the channel site. If a channel site is external to user's tenant, they will see an external tag on the site header. They will also see external tag next to a member's name if the member is external. External users have restricted sharing capabilities. They can only share files from the channel site with other existing channel members ensuring that files are not accidentally shared beyond the intended audience. Meetings are cornerstone of effective collaboration. Sharing files and collaborating on key topics ahead and after the meeting help drive successful and effective collaboration. Shared channels support both Meet Now and schedule meetings, making it easy to bring the entire team together. External members can only join an in-progress Meet Now meeting or an already scheduled meeting. Just like meetings, our users have told us how much they rely on apps for day-to-day collaboration needs. Shared channels at launch will support the full suite of app capabilities: tabs, connectors, bots, message extensions, and line of business apps. Internal and external channel members will be able to jointly leverage the power of apps for much deeper collaboration. Our app SDK has been updated to support shared channels and is currently in developer preview. We are working towards making it available more widely, well ahead of shared channels' general availability. We know how critical Graph APIs are for our app developer community. We have updated the existing channel Graph APIs to support shared channels and look forward to all the compelling experiences that our developer community will be building. We are also introducing new APIs and commandlets to support the share with team scenarios. These APIs and commandlets will support listing all the internal and external channels that are shared with a team, listing all teams that a particular shared channel is shared with. You can go a step further and enumerate the members of the team. And finally, you can always terminate sharing with the team using these APIs. We have introduced finer-grained permission scopes for the new Shared Channels API in line with the security practices of our public APIs. From a compliance standpoint, Shared Channels will support full range of M365 information protection capabilities that you depend on to ensure that users are compliant and your tenant is protected. In a cross-tenant scenario, when a channel is shared with another tenant, the host tenant policies will apply to the channel. Similarly, when a channel is shared with another team, the sensitivity label of the host team will apply. We have heard your feedback on Teams eDiscovery and channel sites. Team eDiscovery search has been improved to include all the channel SharePoint sites associated with the team. In addition to Teams audit logs, AAD sign-in logs will be available in both the home and the resource organization. Sign-in logs are recorded when a B2B Direct Connect user first accesses a resource organization, and then again when a refresh token is issued for the external user. We are also extending the capability of Azure AD Access Reviews to include external users added to the shared channels. When an access review is created on a team or on an associated M365 group, the reviewers will be able to review continued need for access by external users added to these shared channels. We have been developing shared channels to be a scalable, boundaryless experience. A team can have 200 shared channels in addition to 200 standard and 30 private channels. A shared channel can accommodate up to 5,000 direct members and can be shared with 50 teams. In case the membership exceeds 25,000, only the first 25,000 members will be able to add the channel to their channel list. A shared channel can be shared with as many organizations that can be specified in the Azure AD cross-tenant access policy. To summarize, shared channels are ideal for collaborating across team and org boundaries in both small and large group settings. Admins, team, and channel owners are always in control with the rich set of governance, management, and compliance tools at their disposal. Shared Channels is currently in private preview. We are excited to announce that it's coming to public preview in the first quarter of 2022. Thank you so much for your time today, and enjoy the rest of Ignite.